everyone, it's me by the river again today. So after my previous video about flow with life, just like the river, I did receive a lot of personal messages saying that it is easily said than done to just let go of the past. If you have past memories which are good, hold on to them. That's fine. Yeah? Memories is what we live by. But if something is hurting you so badly, like if you catch a hot potato, would you think that should I let it go or should I not let it go? Or would you just, you wouldn't even think, you would just throw it down. If something has pricked you on your feet, if a thorn has pricked you, would you think that thorn lag gaya hai, let it be there, ये मेरे नसीब में था कि thorn लगा है तो अब मैं तो विक्टिम हूँ, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं तो मजबूर हूँ, मैं तो हेल्पलेस हूँ. Would you sit to think through all that? Or would you just sit down and remove that thorn and throw it out of your body? We know these things with the physical body. What about the emotional body? That's where we live most of the time. If some bad memory is poking you within, why would you let that thorn be there in you? Or if like the hot potato example, why would you why would you hold on to it? It's just like something you're burning with inside. Somebody did some wrong to you, or somebody did something, some past hurt is coming up again and again. Same way like in the physical body, the emotional body is also your body. Why would you allow it to be there? Wouldn't you do something to remove it immediately from your system? There are many ways to get healed. Like one of the ways to meditate and, let all these things which are there within, to just let them pass. Or you can pick up any modality that helps you to get released of this pain. Just think about it. Is the emotional body separate from you? संभाल के खजाने के जैसे अंदर पेन को क्यों रखते हैं? Yeah? Now, पेन तो रखा है, सबने रखा है. What do you think happens to that energy? Does it just go away? You may hide it from the world. You may put up a smile and you may hide it from the world. But do you think that your body doesn't know about it? And if that energy is kept within, just like the pond we spoke about, that stagnated energy, and that starts stinking. So how does the stink come out from us? It comes out in the form of dis-ease. There is some dis-ease in the body which comes out in the form of, all these psychosomatic problems that we hear nowadays about depression, stress, young people getting heart attacks. There is so much happening because of stress. Relationships are breaking. Nobody is able to actually be happy. Why do you think this is? This is the repercussion of holding this stagnating energy within ourselves. These are the past referrals that we have in our mind that ये तो है ही ऐसा, ये तो है ही ऐसी, ये तो होगा ही ऐसा. This thing is happening with everybody, so it will happen with me also. Everybody is in fear, so I have to be in fear. It's obvious. Everybody is sad. How can I be happy? These are the things that unconsciously go on in our mind. We want to be like everybody else. What if you make a different choice? That it's okay, that people say it's natural to feel hurt. What if I make a choice that, okay, it may be natural to feel hurt, but it's my choice whether I keep that hurt within or should I throw it out of my system? That choice nobody can take from you. Yeah, so it is natural to feel, okay, if somebody has spoken very badly to you, you may feel hurt for a few moments, or you may feel hurt for the rest of your life. That choice is upon you. It's only a choice. But then people say this, that इसको तो मैं जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलूंगी, ये जख्म तो मेरे को ऐसा लगाया है that जिंदगी भर मैं इसको माफ नहीं कर सकती, जिंदगी भर मैं इसको भूल ही नहीं सकती. This is the affirmation that you're giving yourself. and it gets locked into your body, and then you wonder that मेरे को इतने aches and pains क्यों हो रहे हैं. You have hidden these emotions कि जिंदगी भर किसको नहीं भूलेंगे या किसको माफ नहीं करेंगे या ये पेन तो मेरी उम्र भर चलेगा. Whom do you think you're punishing? The other person who has hurt you or your own self? Think about it. Because this is what people do. How can I forget that person? How can I forgive him? How can I forgive her? She hurt me so badly. Okay, your choice. Hold on to it and then bear the consequences of holding on to it. So this is the choice that we have to keep using, that what is it that I truly want for myself? Never mind if others may be in a certain way. Am I choosing to be the same, or I am choosing to be the unique person that I am? I may be different, and all of us are different. But are you making a different choice, or are you just buying into other people's, points of views and making your choices accordingly? Well, there's no wrongness in that too, because it's your life, and how you deal with it and live it, whether you live happily or you punish yourself by holding these emotions and holding these energies inside your body for the rest of your life, that's your choice. So pick up some modality, do meditation, do something to get rid of this pain, but don't sit with this pain and punish yourself. And as I say again in that first video, just be like the river, keep flowing, don't become a pond, because otherwise you will only punish yourself and you will create all the physical issues and the mental issues in your system. What are you choosing? I'm choosing differently for myself. I've chosen to be happy. That's a choice that I have made. I've chosen to forgive everybody who has, in a way hurt me. Because it is not punishing them. It is I'm choosing to be happy for myself. That's why I am forgiving them. So what are you choosing? I wish that you live a life full of ease and joy, and that's possible. Even if the whole world is not choosing it, choose it for yourself, just as I have done it. Thank you. And see the river again. Just keep flowing, keep flowing, keep flowing.